The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Good afternoon and welcome to this Honorable Court's admissions ceremony. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
May it please the court, good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 36 candidates to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. And please extend the thanks of this court to the members of the committee for their pro bono services in conducting the review process that is required for the admission of new attorneys. We are eternally grateful. It is typically our custom to resolve motions within 2 weeks, but knowing that we would have anxious faces this afternoon, my colleagues have given me permission to grant that motion most expeditiously, and so the motion is granted.
Thank you.
The clerk of the court, Susana Rojas, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Manson-Daniels. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying I do if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, and I now invite my colleagues to unmute their mics and give you, our new attorneys, a well-deserved round of applause. It is our custom that one of our justices gives welcoming remarks, and today that pleasure falls to my sister, Justice Ellen Gesmer.
Thank you, Justice Manzanet. On behalf of the court, please accept my warmest congratulations, both to you and also to your loved ones, the family and friends who have supported you through this arduous process. You are being admitted to the bar in a very strange and uncertain point in the history of our country and our profession, and indeed the world. I'm very sorry that one very visible effect of this crisis is that we are not able to hold this ceremony in our majestic courtroom. Perhaps you can get some idea of its beauty from the photograph, which we are each using as a virtual backdrop. I hope that you and those close to you will come by this courthouse sometime when things become more normal, to see this historic building and to watch and listen to us during argument. As I thought about welcoming you to the bar at this time, it struck me that crises like these often make clear both what is required to be an outstanding lawyer and what makes our profession great. Turning to the first, all lawyers, all the time, have to know the law. But today, more than ever, the best lawyers have to be willing to both have to be both willing and able to learn new areas of the law and to master new skills. In 2022, for example, a lawyer must master all of the legion or executive orders of the last 2 years in order to serve his or her clients well. And speaking of skills, all lawyers, all the time, have to think logically, read critically, write with clarity, listen with empathy, and speak persuasively. But of equal importance in this difficult time, a lawyer must be flexible. Today, the successful lawyer is the one who can appear in court on Zoom while standing in a makeshift workspace in a corner of the kitchen and concentrating at 100% with pets underfoot. But in addition to requiring new skills, the vast social effects of the pandemic demonstrate more clearly than ever that our profession has a duty to assist those who cannot afford counsel, and lawyers have risen to the challenge. Bar associations launched massive programs to assist individuals who were in crisis as a result of the coronavirus pandemic and its effects on the economy. Lawyers have been at the forefront of addressing questions of institutional racism that our country has been addressing in recent times. Most recently, in the face of the war, bar associations are creating programs to help refugees and provide other forms of assistance. These initiatives demonstrate the many opportunities for using your new legal skills for the public good, and that will enhance you both personally and professionally, because a truly great lawyer acts with moral purpose and a commitment to justice. You have entered a powerful and noble profession. I hope that you find a way to practice it that provides you with intellectual challenge and joy while advancing the creation of a just and equal society. With that, congratulations again, and best wishes as you begin this boundless journey.
Thank you, Justice Gesmer, for those wonderful remarks. This admission ceremony is now concluded, and this honorable court stands adjourned.
Thank you to all of the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will log off, and the new attorneys will stay on with me.